Hey folks, it's me, Andrew the plumber. So it's been a while since I recorded a video, but because I've had all kinds of small jobs, but finally we got a little bigger fish. So this time we're doing Viessmann Vita-Dense high efficiency boiler with an indirect water heater. So currently they have the oil fired boiler, McLean. They just basically just, you know, croaked, and they've been without hot water for almost 8 days. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install a remove this boiler now, and then we're gonna start yeah, I had to pipe a temporary electric water heater for the time being until the installation is completed. But yeah, this is the boiler. I gotta cut the old pipes that I'm waiting for the disposal removal crew. Once that's done, I'm gonna start building the wall, and hopefully by then my helper will come here and give me a hand. So stay tuned. I will keep you posted. Thank you. Alright folks, so here's the exhaust. Boiler's firing. That's the exhaust. That's the air intake. That's the outdoor sensor. So here's that beauty. Viessmann boiler with an indirect water heater. Got the pressure. So here we installed this is the Webstone magnetic dirt remover. So all the particles, before they go back into the boiler, they'll catch on this big magnet inside, and every couple of years you have to clean it out. The temperature is good, the pressure I mean. Here's our spiral vent, number 60 expansion tank. We set the circulator pump double 15 on second speed because it has 8 or 9 large radiators, cast iron radiators. There's our, that's the zone for the domestic. No, I'm sorry, that's the zone for heating. That's the closed space T's, and the other pipes for the domestic. So it goes straight to the water heater. From here we have the cold water. That's a cold water going in, and that's the hot water coming out. Yeah, so That's a carbon monoxide detector. That's the gas piping. Venting. There's our switch. Condensate pump. So yeah, folks, if you ever need a high efficiency boiler in the North Shore, north of Boston, in suburbs, or you need oil to gas conversion or mini split, new heat pump, please give us a call at 781-558-4680. I'm Andrew. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.